is too short to not be enjoyed to the max. Sometimes you have to make choices. To experience something or not. To go somewhere or nowhere. When it comes to explore and visit new places, there should be no regrets. So we started this journey to find exotic places you might find interesting and you may want to come see for yourself. This is XOTKS and the journey starts here at a blue crystal clear water paradise known as Silver Glen Springs.
Don't wanna say goodbye, 'cause I don't think that I have it in my soul to keep letting go. You hold me real tight, kiss me hard another time. Be my fire for tonight, and then I'll let you burn my.
A local told us about this secret swimming hole that we should visit, and we headed that way. When we arrived, we found this swamp-looking pond, and I was like, I'm about to go in anyways, so let's see how it looks like. I could not believe that the water under this swamp was so clean and clear. There is a huge cave entrance at the bottom where divers go and explore, so imagine how cool this place is. Then we set up our camping at Ginnie Springs, and this is how the next morning went down. Whoa, look at this place that I just found here. You won't believe it. Come with me. We found these insane small caves that are connected to each other by shallow water springs. Check this out. After all that, it was time to recharge. So we put all our gear away and came to enjoy the beauty of the HoneyMoon Island. It doesn't get better than this.